but I don't listen to gospel. That's one thing I hate. Don't rely on anyone, you know. I'm not dating anyone, I beg you. You can't be like me though, but you need to be hard on yourself. What's up guys, it's your boy Yaw TOG YT, and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Let's go. Calm, anger, and passion, bro. Of course though, I felt depressed years back, but it was kind of like nasty, you know, because I was kind of like, bro, I'm going down, I had a mental breakdown, bro, but right now I'm okay, trust me. I'm moving different, positivity, so we good now. I listen to everything, trust me, but I don't listen to gospel. That's one thing I hate. I feel like I need to work myself on that part so I can listen to gospel music and stuff. I like to listen to the drill, the Afrobeat, you know, yeah. So my producer sent me the beat. He's from Russia, Tasso. I was there chilling at home, so I got the mail, and that was the first beat. Or bro was the first beat. I listened. I was like, yo, let me work on this, cause that time I wanted to talk, but I had no one to talk to, so I was like, let me just write about life, what I feel like I need to write. The song was actually a full song, so after recording it, I was about to release it, and my team was like, let's put someone on, and that's Roy from South Africa. I was a little bit nervous though, because I didn't really like know him. So when he sent his verse, I was like, yo, this is hard, I like it, let's drop it, and boom, we out here. Fake X, yeah. Sorry, big bag, yeah. I say I take it from different channels, you know, especially when someone is positive. I like to be around positive people just to be more okay, you know. When someone is like showing me negative feelings and stuff, my soul calms down. So I like to be around people that smile, you know, so I can be okay and just do whatever I want to do. My least favorite thing. Bro, I mean, I don't know though. I'm just chilling, bro. Money. Passionate about money, bro. My biggest challenge. Nah, bro, I think I don't have any challenge, you know. I'll just be chilling, trust me. Maybe I might have it, but I don't really like highlight it, you know. So it's a whole lot though. Don't rely on anyone, you know. Just do your thing. Don't listen to anyone, because the person that will be talking to you on the call plans for, you know. So just do your thing and everything will be okay. Yeah. Bro, I thought everything was okay though. When I wasn't an artist, I was just chilling at home. I told everyone, I was just like, yo, you're doing music, we okay. No critics, nothing. But bro, it's different out here, Charlie. It's a war zone. Medical. Yeah, I like trap stuff, bro. Gangsters. Yeah, medical. I was in the process of writing this gospel song, right? And my team was like, let's put John Metal on. But I think we are still working on it though to get him on, so yeah, I do. Grammys is big, you know? Yeah, because you see like the big ones in the West Side going crazy about Grammys, and we are the West Side, bro. We need to go mad about Grammys, you know. It's a big achievement when you get a Grammy, bro. It's different. We're from Ghana. Man's from Ghana, you know. We brought this thing to Africa, bro. Ghana drove to the world. Trust me. Being fake to someone. I like to be real, trust me. I'll never be fake for clouds. Now, if I don't know you, I don't know you. If I don't know, I don't know it. I like to be real. It gives me like, it brings peace to my soul. What rumor? I think they said I was dating someone, but I didn't know anything about it, so I had to like, just be like, oh. You guys know, everyone know. They know, they brought it up, so they know. I think I had it, I was like, yo, I'm not dating anyone, I beg you. It brought me problems though, it brought me issues. The guy from Kumasi that came to just do his thing, you know. Just went crazy about everything he was doing. Passionate, love, energy. You guys just remember Young Boo, you know. That's how it is. So in Ghana, right? I want to be a rapperholic. I had to go last year, but I had a show on that day, so I couldn't. So I'm looking forward to just like maybe open rapperholic or just close it, you know. Yeah. And the Western world too, I think it's Kendrick Lamar. Yeah. You say you got a body like, you say you got a bro. Medical, trust me. Medical Ghana, J Hush in the UK. I've been listening to his album. I like the words, you know, how he uses his words, gangsta rap and everything. It makes me go crazy, you know. I go suck and say, go house. We need to be Yaw TOG. Because I'm not going to do so at the joke. Like, I was telling him, bro, if you want to be Yaw TOG, you can't be like me, though, but you need to be hard on yourself, bro, because it's different. Our best Ghanaian food. A mutuo. My mom is the best, though. That's why I like mutuo. She prepares mine differently, like. Yeah, that's why I like mutuo. It's about regano soup. Bro, the time that happened was okay though, cause Charlie, I knew there would be due this moment, you know. So I feel like that time was okay rather than this time. Yeah. Sarkodie, bro. That man is just, I'm just learning a lot from him, you know. Business side. How to move, to train, you get me? Landlord, bro. It's just, I don't know, but I'm learning a lot from him, though. Learning a lot from him. Let's say the world, not only in Ghana, though, the world. How he moves, how he speaks. Yeah, Sarkodie. Oh, my God. Oh, my days. But they all cute, you know. They're all cool. I wish I was a Muslim and I'll marry 3 of them, you know. If I got a chance, I'll marry 3 of them. 3 of them. I'll marry, smash them and everything, you know. So if you guys will give me the 3 of them, I would like it. Back home, they call me the one that did it the best. I'm still trying to up my... I'm more spiritual, bro. More spiritual. More spiritual, trust me. At first I wasn't, but now I like to like be calm in my spiritual world and be okay, you know, because when you're positive, that's when your spiritual world becomes like different. Because, bro, anything that you're doing, you know, like there's someone watching, trying to like cause something in it. So anytime, everything that you believe in, God, anything, just be strong and just, you'll be okay. Trust me. Myself wrote my raps as a young and I came in from John 11:35, Jesus wept, right? Yeah, that's my favorite though. That's my favorite. It taught me to stay calm. Don't panic. That's what it taught me, to stay calm, don't panic. You get everything back. Yeah. I did something but I don't remember. I did something. Yeah. Ghana. Ghana really like play too much. We like play too much. That's the first thing, bro. Ghana. Sarkodie. My mom. Hey, Ghana. Yeah, Ghana comes to my mind though anytime I hear fuel prices. And taxi drivers. Greatness. Uncle. Asa Cowboys. Street. Yeah. Chocolate, sneakers. Bro, that's tough. I can't choose one, bro. Trust me. And yes, I mean, my coffee is here, there'll be fight, bro. I love them both. We go crazy. Love to them, bro. I love you guys. Malcolm, Coco Flake. Money. Logic. Obraya kume trato so de besibia mejabo so. What's up, guys? It's your boy Yaw TOG, and I just faced the fans on MX24. Let's go.
So make a beat.
For my G's, yeah. Obraya kume try to so, yeah, me try to so. Manya ya me know me home, yeah, me know me home. I was your dime, yeah. Every day cha-cha, yeah, me see ya. Obraya kume try to so, yeah, me try to so. Manya ya me know me home, yeah, me know me home. I was your dime, yeah. Every day cha-cha, yeah, me see ya. Obraya kume try to so, yeah, me see ya me jabo so. Manya ya me know me home, dani danya me nigo so. My fe 40 sukuno, me ti fena, me ti shiba so. Every day pressure, I just dey tired. Obraya kume try to so, yeah, me try to so. Manya ya me know me home, yeah, me know me home. I was your dime, yeah. Every day cha-cha, yeah, me see ya.
2 wrongs that don't make it right, huh? You say you got a body like, huh? You say you got a bro like, yeah, we moving abroad like real life stunner. Step like a wonder. If it's war, then suck your mother. 2 black rappers, we Afro brothers. Made 1 hit, we can make another. Yeah, back home, they call me the one that did it the best. I'm still trying to up myself. Wrote my raps as a young and I came in fruition. I still couldn't help myself. By 12, couldn't contain myself. That pain, couldn't console myself. Count my days, I've been that guy, don't lie, don't have to explain myself. Half the time, flows mad fast like Buster Rhymes. Flows get lost like, what's the line? Babes got bought like Buster Wine. Been superior, car looks serious. Look inside, got a nice interior. I don't care if the babe looks nice. What's a broken home with a nice exterior?
To the slim and die, I'm chopping. Man, them shamming by, I'm gassing. My friend, but still on caution. Boys, them stacked in the zone, back fighting. Don't form, we're fucking. But I try, when to be a nothing.